Hi, I'm Lacquer Lover, and you're watching the tutorial for my V Winter Bear inspired design. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using unpeel off base coat. Then paint all of your nails a dirty seafoam green. Apply liquid latex on the skin around your middle and ring fingernails. Then use cling wrap to apply a dark camo green, a light chartreuse, and white to your middle and ring fingernails. And then peel off the liquid latex. Now for these two nails, I'm going to be using a dark gray to draw the bears on the cover art that was released alongside the song. And so I've just created this weird gummy bear looking shape. However, once I do add the bit of shading with black, white, and so on, you will see the bears kind of come to life. So as you can see, I'm just drawing a ring around these bears with black polish, and I promise it will not look as stark later as you build up the kind of in-between shades that blend the black into the base color. And for the thumb, I'm going to be creating the same base as the middle and ring fingernails. And then I'm just going to use white polish to draw a rectangle diagonally across the nail. Go ahead and fill in that rectangle until it is opaque. Then use a light gray to add the bit of shadow casted by the sheet of paper. Next, use black polish to write Winter Bear on the white portion. Now I wanted to mention that this design here is nothing like the idea that first popped in my mind, which was to do snapshots of the music video, so scenes that I liked and just paint that pictures on my nails. However, that would be too complicated and I thought it didn't really fit well with the theme, which was a bit slower and simpler. Apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that was my V Winter Bear nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye everyone!